Hi, here's SandCrawler0. Today I do my second skill model review, and today is a cool Ferrari. You can open the and you see the engine. It's cool. You wait, hold on. Yeah. This thing right here holds the okay. Here the doors can open. Of course, the wheels can turn, and the back can open. Not special, no bags or something. Here the not really interesting, and yeah, it's a cool car, and I want it in real, but it's just a model. And thank you for watching.